In this video, we will be learning how to create a service appointment. Click on the Schedule button located at the top of the main window. This brings up the View Appointment window. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the Options. Choose Create Customer Appointment. This will bring up the search window. Enter the customer name, click on Search, single-click on the customer you want. Next, double-click on the car in the list that pops up. This will populate the Schedule Service window. Look over the customer's info. Review RO history below customer info. In the middle of the window, click on the Select Date box to select a date. Then click on the Schedule To box. Use the drop-down arrow to pick an advisor. Move up and pick a scheduled time. Next, move to the right side of the window, click on the Job box. Below the job boxes, choose the opcode for the customer's complaint. Add any other complaints as needed into the Jobs box. You can enter in any comments for a job in the comment box below. When you are done adding jobs and comments, click on OK. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to create a service appointment.